Hi, welcome to Toilet Board channel. If you are new visitor on this channel, please do subscribe the channel and activate bell icon to get notifications. Hi there. Now I'm gonna show you 2 BHK with low budget in Vinayak Nagar, which is close to EGL and in Murgeshpalya. So it's a living room. This is spacious living room, and it's a bedroom, and both are master bedrooms. So and the next to the doors there is one common washroom and one is attached washroom, and on the right side one is this is kitchen. It's like a carpenter made kitchen, and both Kaveri and borewell water are there, and these are spice racks, and for those are extra cabinets. Let's enter into the master bedroom. So here there is a chance to keep our both king size as well as queen size bed. So these are the cupboards, and the rent is 17,000. That's including maintenance, so there are no separate charges. So all the amenities are there, like power backup, security, CCTV, car parking, as well as 24 hours water facilities are there, and that's like dedicated balcony also is there. It's like wall to wall cupboards are also there. It's a attached washroom.
అన్ని బోర్లన్నా ఉన్నాయి. మాకు ఇది సోమేశ్వర నీళ్ళు వస్తుంది. చాలా నీళ్ళు వస్తే దానికి ఇక్కడ యాకాలంలో డ్యాములు లేవు కదా.
Yeah, if you have any requirement, or else if you are looking for a flat in Murgeshpalya, and it's a best option, and also it's only for family, it's not for bachelors, and it is west facing one. It's a 2 BHK in Vinayak Nagar, which is close by EGL Tech Park, and now we are going from the balcony. It's a balcony, and this is the outer road, main road. It's a south facing one. This one is bedroom, so there are full cupboards are there, and this one is attached washroom with shadow tiles and all. Geyser also provided. This is your living room. And this portion is a wash basin. Over the wash basin, a mirror also has been provided, and there are two cabinets are also there. And next to that, it's a carpenter made kitchen, and these are spice racks. These are the cabinets, kitchen cabinets, and the both waters are also available, Kaveri and as well as borewell. One exhauster fan also is there, and it's a utility area. And this one is common washroom. Let's see. This one is a common washroom. And from my right side, this is master bedroom, and unfortunately there is no light here, so they have to fit the light, so that's why it's in dark. So cupboards are there. Okay. And just now I have told you that it's a living room, and this one is almost 18,000 including maintenance, with all the amenities are also there, like lift, power backup, security, CCTV, car parking, 24 hours water facilities are available. And my numbers have been given in the description. If you have any requirement, you can get in touch with us. Thank you.